Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a post-graduation work permit. First, ensure you meet all eligibility requirements, such as graduating from an eligible Canadian institution. Next, gather all your essential documents, including your passport, academic transcript, and official completion letter. It's crucial to apply within 180 days of receiving your final academic transcript to avoid any delays or issues with your application. To be eligible, you must have completed a program of at least 8 months at a designated learning institution in Canada. You also need to maintain full-time student status for most of your studies. Essential documents include a valid passport, your official academic transcript, and a letter from your school confirming program completion. Make sure all your documents are up to date and clearly legible for submission. The application process begins by creating an online account or signing into your existing one on the official government website. Carefully complete the application form, ensuring all information is accurate and truthful. You will then need to pay the required processing fees, which are typically $255. Double-check all entries before proceeding to the next step to prevent any errors. After completing the form and paying fees, submit your application online. You may receive a request to provide biometrics, so be prepared to attend an appointment. Processing times can vary, so monitor your application status regularly. While you wait, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help you stay organized. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.